Hello, hello guys! Ayan guys, punta po kami ng store kasi may bigay po na $500 each. Ayan guys, ubusin lang namin guys para sa shopping guys. Ganyan talaga guys kaano yung community dito guys. Napaka-supportive sa teachers guys. Ayan, so punta na kami ng ayan, kasama ko po si Sir Leo guys. Ayan, punta na kami ng store. Bye-bye!
166. I need to count. 166.
Sige, friend. Yan ka.
Where are you going? 500 each. Uy, sige na.
Ano na?
Huwag ka na mag-bitch-bitch. Sige na
Ay, Diyos ko, day.
Wow, worth 500.
Hindi, bigat na eh. Pag-hi! Ma'am.
And then we cannot
Yeah.
see it in your page.
Then your loan fee is $2.95. Okay lang? So then you charge 500 and then
Where's your phone?
you might have got the same.